So let's talk about that larger system that's now moved on through. The surface part of the system, that's what kind of raced through here last night and then picked back up again during the day today. That is what caused the severe weather. That's the surface front. And then what we're dealing with right now across Chicago is the upper level part of the system. Now this one is relatively weak. It doesn't have a severe threat with it, although because it's a cold core part of the system, the upper level part of the atmosphere is on the cooler side. Some of these heavier downpours could come with some small hail, pea-sized hail. But for now, it's just some scattered showers that we're tracking move through, and this may take about a day or so before we're done with this system. It's going to take its time as it moves by. So the clouds, the showers, and the windy conditions are going to stay with us as well. And we've seen some gusts at times up around 40 miles per hour. This is what's ushering in the pattern change. Behind the front, you move the air mass. You go from the 90s that we had yesterday to the mid to upper 80s that we had today. And tomorrow you're only going to get 70s. And that wind is how you do it. In fact, we've cooled down into the 70s for all of you now, although there's an 81 holding on for South Bend. We do expect these temperatures to cool down into the 60s for tonight. So here's your future clouds and radar. We do have a few scattered showers that we're expecting to continue off and on through tomorrow, even through the afternoon. In fact, I think we could see a little lobe of energy move on by Monday afternoon, giving us a chance for some of those heavier downpours. Again, we'll keep an eye on these, not expecting the severe threat because usually it's with that surface part of the system that we watch. Future clouds and radar, I'll go through that pretty quickly, but I wanted to show you this graphic because despite the severe weather, despite the storms that came through, the gusty winds, this has been the best news. Take a look. We received anywhere from about a ½ an inch to an inch or more in locations of rain. This is rain that we desperately need. The problem is it came down a little bit too quickly, too fast, and some locations outside of O'Hare and Midway did pick up much more rain today. We saw the video from the Pride Parade a little bit earlier, which doesn't have those totals in that because it didn't move over the airports. Once it developed along the lakefront, it pretty much moved to the east very quickly where those storms got a little bit stronger. The drought monitor, which is updated, I believe, about every Thursday each week. This is the latest drought monitor, which does show severe drought across Chicago into northwest Indiana and points to the south. When this is updated this week, I don't think it's going to improve significantly. One rain event is not going to alleviate the drought. It is going to take several rain events. It's going to take a prolonged, frequent rains to help alleviate that and really to help to get things back to more of a normal pattern. We do have a few showers in the forecast for tomorrow. I think after that, we take the rain chance out for several more days. Temperatures in the 70s for several days here and overnight lows into the 50s. So a little bit of a cool down here before we warm back up into the 80s by Thursday and Friday. We will throw some scattered showers into the forecast for next weekend.
All right, Rob, thank you. Yeah.